Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So it has 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done under 14,000 miles. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.